vlog. It's travel day 1, also aka pack with me and running last minute errands because well, first off, if you're new here, I'm Nicole, and other than that, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. We're about to start my birthday vlogs and that's gonna be crazy, so definitely hit subscribe if you by any chance are not already subscribed. But yeah, so I need to pack everything up. Everything is just laying with each other right now, but it's okay because it's a little bit organized while also not being organized. I need some like toiletry stuff, so I need to go to like Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and get more toothpaste, get more shower gel and all that good stuff. So that's what we're going to do. I first need to like pack all that stuff up. I think I have all my outfits together. I truly don't know. That's what's been holding me up. Pick out my outfits. I literally look at Pinterest, and this isn't even like my Pinterest homepage. Hold on. This is what my Pinterest homepage looks like. And as pretty as it is, it's kind of not really helpful right now because I've already worn outfits that look similar to these. And like this one's pretty. I like that one. But yeah, so right now I'm just trying to make sure I have all the outfits or, you know, everything that I want right now. This is actually what I'm about to put on to wear to the airport. If you watched my Shein try on haul video, then you saw this 2-piece set. It's gray shorts and then this top with it. I don't know if I'm actually going to wear this top or if I'm going to wear the top that I have on and then like a hoodie. I feel like that would be better because I have a black hoodie and it's always so cold in the airport. Okay, yeah, I think I want to wear this cropped hoodie and this tank that I have on right now. I'll just pull it up a little bit so it's not showing under the cropped hoodie. I feel like that would be better for the airport. Okay, so I can kind of show you what we have so far. I'm not even in frame. Okay, let me back up. I can kind of show you what I have so far, what I'm working with. As soon as I land, I'm going out, and I think this dress that I borrowed from my sister is the dress that I want to go out in. It's just a plain black dress. And then this is like a backup dress. Like I still have not worn this. I was supposed to wear this last year for my birthday in Nashville, but it came ripped and then I had to be sent a new one. So that is just, you know, just in case I change my mind. My 2 birthday dresses, which if you watch my Shein try on haul, you've already seen my birthday dresses. They're definitely going in here. And then I always have to have just some casual clothes. So this is probably what I will come back in, like when I'm flying back in. And then I also have multiple different bikinis to choose from. So that can just go right up here in this section right here. And then I have some accessories to choose from with my bikini. And then like I said, I always just like to have casual clothes. So maybe I'll wear like this t-shirt on my way back and have, you know, some workout shorts and stuff like that. I also have another outfit just in case I decide to change again. I just like to overpack. You never know how many times you'll want to change. I'm bringing my black heels, which is probably what I will wear the most. I'm also bringing these heels because if I decide to wear the brown dress, then I would want to wear these nude heels. I need my dad's sneakers. Wait, why do I need my dad's sneakers? What outfit goes with this? I don't know. I always like to have just some slide-in shoes. Okay, I also got a new phone case and a new, I guess this would be a pop socket. So I can switch this one out. This one gives me Pepto-Bismol vibes. Is really pretty. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorite ones so far, and so it's a pop socket, but just not for my birthday. So before and after, I really like this. I think it's really pretty. I debated on not having a pop socket at all, actually, just because I mean I couldn't find one to match, and honestly this really does not match, but it would be so hard to vlog without a pop socket. You know how hard it is to hold this up. So yeah, this is the best we could do. I find it so much easier to just throw everything into piles before like actually seriously packing. Like that's the stuff that will be going in here. This is the stuff that will not be going in here. So now I get to grab all of this and take it to the bathroom and grab everything else that will be going in here. Most of this stuff is already out from my last trip home, so that makes a lot of this very easy. It's basically packed. I will reuse a Shein bag to the end of time. Those bags are so good. But yeah, so everything is basically packed. I just need to go grab the toiletries, and I have about an hour and 20 minutes before I need to leave. There's still some quick cleaning that I want to do, like unloading the dishwasher, washing these dishes. I already switched the clothes to the dryer, and I really don't need to unload those, so I'm not really worried about that.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
All right, we're all cleaned up. I even swept the floors, and the only thing I didn't do is unload the dryer, and I definitely do not think I'm going to do that. Honestly, it's fine. It's fine. So, right now I'm just going to change into that, and then we can head out and go get everything that I need. I feel like I am rushing a little bit, and I'm really not. Actually, I'm doing pretty good on time. I'm kind of proud of myself. I wanted to leave my apartment at 12, and I literally left at 12 on the dot. And I dumped my trash, sprayed my floor, literally did everything. My apartment is completely clean, which I love. So I also just stopped by Dollar Tree to pick up some snacks for the flight and also for the road or the drive there. So I'm pretty much prepared, and I'm doing pretty good. All right, we are coming up on a red light now. So I got this for the road. I don't know, it just looks really appetizing at the front. Got this for my flight. I always bring some sweet snacks for the flight, and I got this either for the road or the flight. I think honestly the road would be the better option for this, because if I start choking on these small things, I'd rather not be choking on the plane. And then I got this for the flight because it just looks so good. And then I got this for the trip so that I can stay awake with Seagram. And I got the toiletries that I needed. So yeah, I will be checking in with you guys. Oh, I also got some gum for the flight. I will be checking in with you guys throughout the trip. But for now, I'm about to turn some music on and get as far as I can.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't.
I am sitting in the airport right now, or sorry, I'm sitting in the airport garage right now, and I just got my little ticket to park in the garage. Now I need to take all that stuff up. I also already put my toiletries and stuff in there. I was on the phone with my mom, and so I didn't get to show you guys that. But yeah, so everything is already condensed, and all I need to do is literally get out of the car. I've already moved everything, so no one will break my windows and stuff. All I need to do at this point is get out of the car and walk into the airport, and I'm 2 hours early for my flight, so I'm kind of chilling. I'm never this early. I can't even tell if this is gonna be good footage because of the way I have to hold my phone. Because I have so much in my hand. You can kind of see me in the reflection. I don't know where I'm going. This is actually very confusing. This footage is probably so bad. That's mainly because I can't see where I'm going, or I can't see what I'm vlogging. This is literally so awkwardly in my hand. Update, I figured out how to turn my pop socket so it's easier for me to hold with all this stuff. And okay, I'm sitting here trying to make a TikTok and finish this YouTube video, and this is actually very challenging. And I'm also trying to find my gate, which it shouldn't be that hard if I did. But yeah, it's taking a lot of effort. I haven't made it to my gate yet, but I found a Starbucks first, so of course I had to stop and give myself a nice refresher because I'm hot. It's probably the sweatshirt, but I'm hot, and I'm glad I wore a t-shirt under here because I definitely plan on taking this off. Actually, it's probably me running around trying to get TikTok and YouTube content. Hi, can I do the pineapple passion or lemonade, please? I'm trying so hard not to spill my drink right now so that I can vlog this, but look at how far away my gate is. Why is it all the way down there? I'm so confused. Also, this airport is one of the most confusing airports I've ever been in. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's not even that big. It's not even as big as like Charlotte, and it's still really confusing. There's just stuff everywhere, and it's like just randomly placed, and then there are random like little pockets for people to sit and stuff like that. It's just really confusing. But I'm getting closer to my gate. This is A11. I'm all the way down there at A15. So far. Just walked all the way down here. Why does this say Canada? Why does that say Toronto? For, oh my gosh, hold on. It's definitely at the wrong gate. My bad. Anyways, my gate is over there, but it's like packed. So I'm sitting in the Canada side because less people are going to Canada. I wish I were going to Canada. I wish I were going to Toronto. Like, dude, that's such a dream. Anyways, so I'm about to spend this last hour that I have before I board editing my YouTube video. The video from, or the last video, if you're watching in order, is the one where I was getting ready for my birthday, like preparing, like doing my hair, my nails, all that good stuff. So that's what I'm about to edit now, and hopefully you're caught up. Not catch up.
I will wait for you.